Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Coinbase.com or the Coinbase wallet. So as you can see right here, you are on their website, so let's read what they say. So you're home to everything on-chain, store and manage all your coins, collectibles, and on-chain DeFi positions in one place. So basically, you can just store all of your crypto or crypto coins all in one place or all in one app. It's basically just like a wallet, which is what it is. Earn while you steep with the USDC rewards and a lot more. So let's head on over here to Trustpilot to see the reviews, which they're rated great, which is 4.0 out of 5 stars. So a lot of people. I contacted Coinbase support more than a week ago regarding a transaction issue, but no help useful so far. Edit: Coinbase reacted in a professional manner and did a good job helping me recover a missing transaction. So that's a plus on their side. I think Coinbase is a useful application with a large learning curve that sets aside limitations and blah blah blah. And basically, a lot of people are saying that it's really good out of the 17,000 reviews. However, you should be careful on how you store your crypto, since it can be easily compromised online. So using an app like Coinbase or Binance or MetaMask wallets help you recover or protect your currency online. And that is basically it. So Coinbase is legit, and if you want to try and use it, go ahead. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.